Hi everyone, Helen Blunden here, and I'm excited to facilitate Coca Cola Amatil's Work Connect and Learn program. Now, what is the Work Connect and Learn program? You may have seen some of the marketing material that's out there, and you may be wondering, what is it about, what do I have to do, how much time does this take? Well, effectively, the Work Connect and Learn program is going to be a very different training course or training program that you may have experienced in the past. Why? Because it will all be done all online and through different use of social tools that you currently have within CCA. So what that means is that the Work Connect and Learn program, its ultimate aim is to create a community of practice. That is a community of people within your own organisation who can openly work out loud, share what they know, who can connect with each other across the sites, and who can learn from each other. And what this means is by conversations and by sharing your own knowledge and sharing your own experiences and stories within CCA, people can get ideas and different tips and techniques and could share information quite easily that will enable them to do their work better, or do their work effectively, or even productively. So, very first module for the Work Connect and Learn program is called Learning How to Learn Online. Now, the program is a 5-week program. Every week I'll run the webinar twice, so if you happen to miss the first webinar, not to worry, I'll repeat it again the day after. And with each webinar that we'll go through, there's going to be some pre and post webinar activities. Now, these pre and post webinar activities are there to really think about the content and also the application of how you would do these within Coca Cola Amatil. So I do encourage you to share what you've learnt, how you've applied each of those activities into the community forum that Michelle has kindly set up around the Work Connect and Learn program. So everything that we're going to do will actually be done via Lync in real time during those webinars. And then after those webinars, you go off and do all your different activities and you share what you're learning within the SharePoint community. And that's where I really encourage you to share your experiences. So the very first webinar will be on the 19th of February. I know some of you will be in front of your computers, but many of you will actually be in meeting rooms with each other's, with a group of people. That's okay. The very first module, we're going to actually learn how to learn online, which is learning how to use Lync. And this will set you up for future webinars. Now, what are the pre-webinar activities before we start our webinar on the 19th of February? Well, the very first thing is I'm going to get you to view a couple of YouTube videos. The very first video is called A Smarter Way to Work. Now, fair enough, it's an ad for Lync, but think about and look at what these people are doing on Lync and how they're using it within your work. And then I'd like you to think about, what does this mean for CCA? So that's the first YouTube video. The second YouTube video is an example of how a fitness company has used Lync for their own work and how it's made them become more productive and be able to connect with each other across their organisation. And once again, think about, well, what does it mean for Coca Cola Amatil? So that's the pre-webinar activities. There's going to be some post-webinar activities, but I'll get to that during the webinar. Look, at all times, Michelle and I are here to be able to support you. So I look forward to meeting you in real time, online, so to speak, during the whole program. I do hope you'll have a fascinating time, that you'll learn heaps, and that you'll share your experiences. So I'll see you very soon. Thanks again. Bye for now.